Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a first time user, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. And if you're a returning user, hey, what's up? So as you may have noticed that I haven't been making videos for a very long time. So I had a few reasons behind it, like I got a new job, then trying to fit in there, then it was really far away from where I was previously living. So I had to move places, then to find a place, move in there, and then I was going through some really weird stuff as well in my life where I was like really depressed and surrounded by really negative people. So I had to push them out of my life and get some group therapy and stuff like that. But I'm back now and I'm at my new place now. I have settled down and everything is good. So I'll be again continuing with posting my videos now. And yeah, that was all that is there to this story, like getting really busy and getting really messed up and coming out of it. I'm still recovering from everything that went on in my life, but I'm pretty sure I'm like through the hard part. Now it's just moving forward, that's that. So I thought, apart from telling you guys why I was MIA for so long, I'd also do an unboxing. So since I was shifting to a new place, I got to shop a lot because I was like, okay, I need this in my place, I need this. And then there was a really awesome M.I.A haul going on. So I was like, let's get your hand dirty over there. And so yeah, I got a lot of stuff from M.I.A and from Amazon to fill in my new place. So yeah, moving on to the unboxing now. Let's get started. The first thing that I got is this really cool rug. Earlier I was thinking of using it near my bed, but then I thought I could use it as a really cool background to show my videos. Show the products in my videos. So let's get started with what all I got. So first thing, my mom actually ordered this for me from Amazon. So it's a 10-in-1 miracle hair oil and I've used it like 2 or 3 times. I got it for $5.99 and I don't know, I'm seeing like good results, but I'll be reviewing this soon, so you'll get to know about that. The next things that I got are these shampoo and conditioner. So I ran out of my L'Oreal one, so I thought I'll be using these guys. So I like the smell of these guys. These smell like nostalgia. I don't know like how to explain this one, but it's really good. I really love it. And yeah, let's see after a month's use it, how does using this feel. So the next thing that I got is something that I'm madly in love with, which is CR Secret's Lemon Cypress Japanese Mint. So Glamourada had sent me CR Secret's body wash, a patchouli yogurt enzyme body wash, and I was madly in love with it. So I thought I'd buy CR Secret's another product. So this product I bought, it's actually a deodorant cream and it's amazing. I will be posting a video of this, and this is one of the best things that I ever bought from my money, I guess. So yeah, moving on, I actually went out and got some really cool essential oils. This one is Petit Grain. I don't know if I'm pronouncing them right or not. Cerewood and peppermint. So I have bought a few other essential oils as well, like rosemary and tea tree oil, eucalyptus oil and orange essential oil. So I will be doing a small video of these things on how you can use these. And this one, I use it on my pillow to give a really calm sensation. I dissolve it in water and then spray it. I haven't really figured out what to do with this, and I'm using this in my conditioner and the after results are amazing. My hair smells good and they the oil doesn't come for like 2-3 days. So in love with peppermint, in love with these guys. And along with them, I did get some aroma oils. So these guys are really good. You can use them as therapeutic oil as well. So I bought this whole packet of, I guess this is lavender, lemongrass, jasmine, rose and sandalwood. So I thought I'd be like using them as, what do you say, a room spray or something. I'll just spray it around, dissolving it in water, and let's see the results, how that goes. And moving on, I got some things from Innisfree. So the thing is, I am suffering from a lot of acne these days. So I thought I'll try these Innisfree Trouble Spot Clear. These are really cool patches, and there's a serum also. And then you apply it on your acne, and it supposedly is gone by the morning. But since I have like really serious acne, I think it'll require application 2-3 times. Although along with this, I have ordered some things from this other website. I'm trying it now. It's on its way. So I ordered Cosrx. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not. So they're like acne patches as well, and those people are supposedly really good in the business. So let's see if this or that one, which is better. I'll surely be posting a difference video of these two. So let's see how that goes. Along with this, I got this Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. It's amazing. I can't tell you how much I'm in love with this. You just apply it. It's just a translucent powder, but it gives your face such a refreshing feeling. I can't even begin to explain it. I'm madly in love with this guy, and I don't know what I'd do without it now. So while I was purchasing these guys, I also purchasing these guys, I was eligible for like free products from Innisfree. So the things that I got were these really cool face masks, as you may have seen my videos or not. I know, so I am a big fan of face masks. I mean, I have a whole collection of it. So these two get added to it as well. And along with that, I got this really small pouch of two cleansing foams. One is a green tea one, and the other one is Jeju Volcanic Pore cleansing foam. So we'll move on. Let's see what all I got next. The next thing that I got was this curated glam box. This is a collaboration of BeBeautiful.in times Nykaa, and it's like it contains Pond's products. I will be posting a review of this thing as well. So yeah, it had one lip balm, this thing. I really love Lakme's tinted balms. They're really cool and they're easy to handle and carry. Then they have this Pond's White Beauty Spotless Fairness. Then they have this, I think it's a cleansing foam. Yeah, it's a face wash. It's a cleansing foam by Pond's. And then they have a really cool travel friendly Vaseline's body lotion. So you can carry it around while you're going out and about your travels. And they also have given a small booklet of sorts where they're explaining things like why do you need all this stuff. So yeah, the next thing that I got is actually a pre-birthday present, like a really early birthday present, since my birthday is in September, from my friend Yogita. So this is my Amazon Basic speaker. It's amazing. Like, I'm madly in love with this. It's really portable. You can even latch it in your bag, and you're good to go, and it has really good volume. And this was my housewarming and birthday gift, pre-birthday gift, and this is like really amazing. I am just crazy about this thing. The next thing is something that I can't really live without, which are these really cool earplugs. I got them from this Japanese store called Usupso. That store is really cool. If you have it in your city, I'd suggest just go out and buy stuff from there, or check it out at least. They're really cool earplugs, and they're awesome. I can't tell you how much madly I'm in love with these. So the next thing that I got was more again from my mom, which was this ironing silicone pad. So I haven't gotten the chance to use it. When I do, I'll actually post a review of how I found this. And along with it, I got this really, really cool Philips iron, and I think I'm in love with it. It's a steam iron, and it's beautiful, and my mom gifted it as a housewarming gift for me. I moved recently, so they all were like, okay, you're gonna need this, you're gonna need that. So I got quite some gifts from my parents and my friends. So guys, this was it on my end, and do tell me if you'd like a room tour of my room. It's a really small place where I can show you around what I've done with the place and everything. It's still under process, like I'm still, adjusting, making things look pretty and making my YouTube wall and stuff like that. But I have settled in a bit. So if you want a room tour, do tell me in the comment section below. Also, I will soon be posting reviews of all the products that I've bought. So stay tuned to this channel, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed till now, come on guys, just give it a subscribe button click. And don't forget to click on that ding bell to get the notifications as soon as I post a video, which will be quite a lot since I'm going out soon for my friend's cousin's wedding and all. So there'll be a lot of videos coming of where I'm going and stuff like that. So yeah, stick to this channel and you'll have a fun time. So promises till then. Adios.